When you're working on a design in Affinity 3 and you find an image with colors that match the mood you want, you can actually turn that image into a custom color palette. To do this, just go to Window, General, and click Swatches. The Swatches panel will pop up. Then click the small arrow at the top of the panel and choose Create Palette from Document. From here, you can decide whether you want to save it as an application palette or a document palette. If you save it as an application palette, it will be available for future projects. Even if you close Affinity and create a new document, that palette will still be there. If you save it as a document palette, then it's only going to show up for this specific document. You can also rename your palette to keep things organized, or delete it if you don't need it anymore. Another option is Create Palette from Image. When you click that, a panel pops up and lets you select an image. At first, it only loads 5 colors, but you can drag the slider to increase the number of colors. Click Preview when ready, and you can see more colors now. Then choose whether you want to save it as an application palette, a document palette, which is a brand new palette in your Swatches panel, or you can add it to your currently selected palette, which is this one. I'm going to just pick the document palette. Click Create, and here is the color palette. And that's it. Now you've got your custom palette ready to use in your design. That's all for now. Hope you found this helpful, and thanks for watching.